Hello and welcome to Quiz Swizz. Do you speak Gen Z language? Let's see how many Gen Z slang you can guess. Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz Swizz channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's start with the easy level. For your information, fear of missing out. If you know, you know. For real. Not gonna lie. In my opinion. You only live once. Greatest of all time. To be honest. Point of view. Outfit of the day. In real life. Shaking my head. Right now. Be right back. Let me know. I don't care. I know, right? Too much information. Suspicious. special or emotional. It has the vibe or energy of something. Acting confident and like the center of attention. Go outside and reconnect with reality. Something constantly stuck in your mind. Clearly caught